So hello, once again, my name is Jovica Riznic, so let's continue our discussion about the project risk management, So when we are talking about risk management, usually we are considering two elements, of the risk. One is probability that something wrong will happen, and another one are consequences, How bad can things, go with our project, Does it mean that we are going only to miss one deadline, go slightly over the budget, or we are going to bring project completely to failure? So what are the reasons that today we are playing with so many failures of the projects? I think that first thing is something very obvious. We are living in the complex world, and today forces of globalization, technology, and very short, product life cycle are competing and putting up additional pressure on a business, so that today business is run mostly, by political, economical, technological, and social sublimes. In addition, to probabilities, when we are talking about those projects, we have to realize, that there are a lot of uncertainties in assessing, those projects. Okay, so the question is, how we can address those projects, those problems, All of us are subscribed to the PMI PEM book, Guide to the Project Management in Book of Knowledge. There is a process for that, but we have to realize, that there is no one size which fits all propositions, We have to embrace the flexibility. We have to be prepared to change something in our project, whether this is the scope, delivery time, schedule, whatever, On the other side, we have to realize that there are a lot of uncertainties, in assessing probabilities, How probable or likely is that something wrong will happen with our project, You can say that what is least or less probably for you doesn't mean necessarily that I can see that way, So, in essence, we have to avoid illusion of control over our project, We have to be prepared to act quickly, to adjust the project to the current, circumstances, And above all, I think that's most important that we should focus on consequences, not necessarily on probabilities that this event may happen, Things may happen in any case, but those, with the hardest consequences are tremendous, to the project. And at the end, I think that we have to set early warning signs, to our project. We have to work, hardly try to identify those warning signs, and to follow them through. And having not only protective, but proactive measures, to control the project, We can talk about that, for hours, but at this time, I'm going to finish on this short video, and I would like to thank you for your attention and wish you good luck with your professional development studies, and looking forward to seeing you in the cyber classroom. Thank you.